Delicious plancake, a blend of eggs, milk and caramel. Each piece of plantain is not just a piece of cake, but also an adventure through the typical flavors of eggs, milk and caramel. From the soft layer of caramel on the bottom, to the smooth flan on top, plantain cake is not just a dessert, but also a work of culinary art. Let's try and experience it together.
Ingredients to prepare: 4 eggs, 2 cups of fresh milk, 1/3 box of fresh cream, 1/3 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 lemon.
Prepare the egg and milk mixture. In a bowl, put 2 eggs with both yolks and whites, 2 eggs with only the yolks. Continue adding 2 cans of fresh milk, 1/3 can of fresh cream, 1/3 can of sweetened condensed milk. Stir well until mixture is combined. Make caramel. Heat sugar in a pan. Add a little water. Add lemon juice. Stir well until sugar dissolves and turns dark brown. Then turn off the heat and let cool. Steam the pancake. Pour caramel into the bottom of the pancake molds. Continue pouring the egg and milk mixture into the caramel molds. Steam the cake in the steamer for about 20 minutes until the cake is firm and no longer liquid. Check by inserting a toothpick into the cake if it is dry.
Enjoy hot. Pour the cake into the mold. Use a knife to gently tap the side of the cake to see the cake undulating on the plate. The pancake spreads a sweet fragrance and fascinates all senses. Each bite into the pancake is a unique experience, as you feel the harmony between the sweetness of caramel and the fatty taste of eggs and milk. Each piece of cake is not only a culinary experience, but also a journey to enjoy the traditional flavors and uniqueness of world cuisine. Alternatively, you can put the pancake mold in the refrigerator for a few hours before enjoying it in the usual way. Pancake is not only a delicious dessert, but also a symbol of simplicity and sophistication in cuisine. With simple ingredients but creating a complex and unique flavor, banhplan has conquered the trust of many diners around the world. Hopefully this simple recipe will bring more satisfaction and appeal to your family.